there is a Rahul doing right amount of rounds in social media. And what's your take on this? Will KL Rahul, after what 2 good years outside the Indian white jersey team, where can he make a comeback into this side as an opener in this particular Test series?
I'll go.
Yeah.
Okay, I think India should open with Rohit Sharma and Ravindra Jadeja.
That's quite the choice. I am really happy to hear that. But Abhishek, what's your logic behind this whole thing? Yeah.
Okay. First of all, see, the only reason why India is backing Rahul, not India, the fans are or critics are backing Rahul is Rahul got 100 a month or so ago, about 15 days ago, right?
Yeah.
He has not been playing red ball cricket for India for 2 years, but in this 2 year span, he has played only one serious red ball cricket match, the Ranji Trophy semi-final of 2019-20.
Yeah.
That is the only red ball match he has played between his last Test match and this tour match against the county selection 11. Why I am speaking about Jadeja? If Rahul is in contention, Rahul batted at number 5 and scored 100. Jadeja batted at number 6 and scored 75. In the second innings, Jadeja batted at 4 and scored 51 before retiring. Why is Jadeja not the better option, given that he gives you the additional bowling option? India has done this before. Use a bowler at the top. I am not going back to Vinu Mankad days. The Indian coach is the perfect example. Ravi Shastri has one of the best batting records in England among Indians as an opener. But even that you may say is 20th century. 2002, India pushed Sehwag to the top. India pushed Bangar to the top, right? And they coped. Sehwag got 100. Bangar at Headingley scored a famous innings. 5 years down the line, India used Karthik as an opener. None of these cricketers started their career as an opener. Jadeja's batting improvement is undisputed. He has been probably the most improved batter in the Indian cricket team. Most improved batter over the past few years. And if you play Jadeja, you get the fifth bowler. The pitches in England take turn in August. We have seen that. We have seen that in the 100. The pitches are assisting spinners. I know this is a different format, but pitches are offering turn. And we saw in 2018 as well, Ashwin got injured, but had he not been injured, it could have been different. I would pick Jadeja as an opener.